Alright, this is my Haro 100.3 bike check. I don't think you guys can see it. See, look at this, folks. Plastic pedals. Pretty fast. I got it yesterday. Autographed by, I don't think you guys can see it. Yeah. Tires are can stacked, whatever you call that. Tires. I don't think you guys can see it. Pretty cool BMX bike. The seat. The seat is a Haro seat. Yeah. Haro. This is what it looks like. The whole bike. Pretty cool bike. BMX bike. So, if you guys gonna get a bike like this, it costs is $320. Not so much if you can afford it. See my tires. Bad tires. I think I'm gonna change these handles, these pedals, to metal pedals, because these can break easily if I even just try a little trick. Well, I did, and see how I got scratched up already. I don't know if you guys can see. And I just got the bike yesterday. I didn't scratch it up, my brother did. See, the front. See, look at that, how it's scratched up. Yep. Well, that's it for my bike check. Now go ahead, go out, and get a Haro.